Y'all still tripping. Y'all still tripping on a new Black Wall Street, Stonecrest, Georgia. Peace and Pan-Africanism to Stonecrest, Georgia. New Black Wall Street market. I loved it. They want to know if I was intimate with the deranged sister who came to the stage and threw her weave lotion on my lecture stage in Stonecrest, Georgia. Is that the conversation? We rather talk about that than talk about institutions. We rather talk about that than talk about organization. They want to know if I was dating the full-figured chocolate queen who came to the stage in Stonecrest and threw her shea butter and her weave lotion on the stage. That's what they want me to address. Listen, if y'all believe I know the sister, if y'all believe I was with the sister, find the sister and let's go live with the sister. That's all we got to do. In the spirit of transparency, find the sister who threw her weave lotion and shea butter on the stage in Stonecrest. Dr. Umar will go live. Dr. Umar will go live. We can go live and settle this, brothers and sisters. We don't need to have a whole conspiracy. We don't need to have a social media inquisition. Find the sister in Stonecrest, Georgia, who disrupted the lecture by throwing a bag of weave lotion and shea butter on the stage. And we can go live. I'm willing to engage in a community tribunal to exonerate myself from the false charges and allegations that the sister who approached the stage and said I was with her the night before in Savannah, Georgia, was either co-intel pro or a co-intel hoe. I don't know which one. Whether she was working for the coons or whether she was working for the Caucasians. Was she co-intel pro or was she co-intel hoe? Was she co-intel pro or was she co-intel hoe? Was she working for the coons or was she working for the Caucasians? I don't know, but what I do know is nobody was in that hotel with me at Savannah, Georgia, them 2 nights. Nobody shared the hotel. No woman came. You can get the footage from the hotel. Go and get the footage from the hotel in Savannah, Georgia, and see if there was any queen in that hotel room. Those 2 nights that I was with my Oyotunji African family, those 2 nights that I was with the Oyotunji African village, I came into Savannah from Brunswick, where the good sister took me to Igbo landing, where our revolutionary Igbo Nigerian ancestors gave their life rather than suffer the pains of slavery. I was high off of the Igbo landing trip in Brunswick that day. I got into Savannah late that night, checked into my hotel. I met some of the paparazzi, P-O-P-A-R-A-Z-Z-I. I met some of the Ifa Tunde faithful. They saw me. In fact, I was live with y'all. I went live with y'all at the Savannah waterfront. I was live with y'all. So what time did she come to my room? And so she drove from Savannah to Stonecrest. She took the 3-hour drive. Who did she take the 3-hour drive with? Because she wasn't with me. I don't drive with people. I like to drive alone because I like to think and prepare my message and meditate and converse with the ancestors. So is she claiming she drove from Savannah, Georgia to Stonecrest 3 hours the next day just to try to confront me? Why she didn't do that at the African Gala? Why she didn't do that at the Gullah Geechee Grand African Ball with the Oyotunji African family? It was a smaller gathering, beautiful gathering, well attended, but it was a smaller gathering. So why didn't she expose me in front of my fellow Ifa devotees? Wouldn't that have been the perfect place to do it? If you was in Savannah, why didn't you expose me in Savannah in front of all my fellow African spiritual family? You don't expose me in front of my African spiritual family. You drive 3 hours to Stonecrest in front of my Atlanta, Georgia family. Listen, fellas and sisters, find the sister who came to the stage. That's what we gonna do. Find the sister who came to the stage. Can we please find the sister who came to the stage?
In 1 mile.
Can we please find the sister
right.
who came to the stage? And let's do an online community tribunal. I'm only going to do it this one time. I'm only going to do it because my business is none of your business, but I'm completely innocent. My business is none of your business. In the presence of my ancestors, I did not know that woman. Maybe she came to a lecture before and took a picture. I don't know. But I don't know her name. I don't recognize her. And I definitely didn't make any chocolate Cinnabons with that sister. I can promise you that. I can promise you that. I love chocolate queens, but she was not my type. I love me some African chocolate. I love me some Hershey Kisses. Oh, Lord have mercy. I love me some Hershey Kisses. But I promise you, brothers and sisters, that was one Hershey kiss that I did not kiss. I can promise you that. That is one Hershey kiss that I did not kiss. I can promise you that. But I'm going to let y'all run with it. Tasha K, I saw you hating again. That's okay. That's okay. It's all love. It's all love. What city I'm from? What kind of question is that? What city am I from? What kind of question is that? I'm from the PHI.